There's a dirty little secret in the fastening industry. Torque is not your friend. That's right, torque is not at all what it seems. Set the number here, but you won't get consistent clamp numbers here.
There's a misconception out there that torque is the end result. That's just not true. Clamp is the end result.
Torque is not clamp. And a clamp is a measure of preload and tension in that joint, and torque is just a measure of twisting.
Torque is an action. Clamp is the end result. They're two separate things.
In other words, consistent torque does not deliver consistent clamp. And where there's inconsistent clamp, there's trouble.
If you have several bolts in a joint and there's inconsistency between them, some bolts are tighter than others. The ones that are tighter end up carrying more of the service load. The bolts that are there that aren't as tight are just pretty much along for the ride.
If the inconsistency is bad enough that you only have one or two fasteners really taking that whole load, you do not have enough clamp in that joint to hold that joint steady. So you could have a catastrophic failure.
How does this happen? It's all about friction.
The problem is the coefficient of friction really varies bolt to bolt. If you have damaged threads, if you have inconsistencies in the joint from one fastener to another, you'll have variation in your clamp.
Want proof? Here you go. This is a Skidmore-Wilhelm testing unit. It tests exactly the amount of clamp you get from each installation of a fastener. So we tested a lot of fasteners, starting with a variety of conventional nuts and bolts that use torque for installation. We tested these fasteners over and over and over. The result? Each clamp value was different than the next. Same torque, different clamp. Then we tested the Huck Bobtail, a high-performance Huck bolt that uses direct tension for installation. After a quick installation, Bobtail recorded consistent clamp values, test after test after test.
Because it's a direct tensioning product, the clamp load achieved with this fastener is extremely consistent.
What we're after is how much tension or how much clamp is in that joint. We're swaging that collar in a very precise manner and obtaining consistent clamp, fastener after fastener after fastener.
Fact: Huck Fasteners guarantee consistent clamp, installation after installation.
Whether it be agricultural equipment, whether it be a truck or a trailer, whether it be an oil rig out in the field, whether it be mining equipment and shaker screens, you can feel confident that when you're using a Huck fastener, you know that you're getting the clamp results, you know that you're getting the vibration resistance that you expect from a fastener.
Torque is cheap. Huck is forever.